Join me as I dive into the brand new OnePlus 13 5G and see if it really lives up to the hype. The OnePlus 13 5G has finally arrived, and it's making waves in the smartphone market with its cutting-edge features and sleek design. Released just last week, this device is set to compete with the big players, promising to deliver top-notch performance and user experience. We've all been there. Our smartphones just can't seem to keep up with our demands. Battery life is a common pain point. It feels like we're always scrambling for a charger. I mean, who hasn't had their phone die on them at the worst possible moment? Connectivity issues are another major frustration. Dropped calls, slow internet speeds, and poor Wi-Fi connectivity can make daily tasks a real challenge. And then there's camera quality. We've all taken a photo that just didn't turn out as expected, right? The OnePlus 13 5G aims to tackle these problems head-on. For starters, its camera capabilities are seriously impressive. With a quad camera setup and advanced software features, taking professional-grade photos is easier than ever. Battery life is also getting a major boost, thanks to a large 5000 mAh battery and fast charging technology that can quickly top up your battery on the go. Processing power isn't being compromised either, with the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon chipset providing lightning-fast performance. Another highlight is its display, a stunning AMOLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate, making for an incredibly smooth visual experience. And let's not forget about its 5G connectivity, ensuring you stay connected at all times. One standout feature of the OnePlus 13 5G is its advanced cooling system, designed to keep your device running smoothly even during intense gaming sessions. I put it to the test, running a series of benchmarks and playing some graphics-heavy games. The results were impressive, with the device staying cool to the touch and maintaining top performance levels. In a speed test against some of its closest competitors, the OnePlus 13 5G came out on top, loading apps and files in record time. The camera also performed exceptionally well, capturing crisp and vibrant photos even in low-light conditions. And when it comes to battery life, I was able to get a full day's use out of it without needing to recharge. So, what does this mean for users? The OnePlus 13 5G has the potential to make a real difference in our daily lives. Whether you're a busy professional, a gamer, or just someone who wants a reliable phone, this device seems to tick all the boxes. With its powerful performance, advanced features, and sleek design, it's definitely worth considering if you're in the market for a new smartphone. What do you guys think about the OnePlus 13 5G? Have you had a chance to try it out? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you're interested in checking out more content like this, be sure to head over to my channel and watch my review of the latest smartwatch from Samsung.